Hey happy bees, it's Amanda, and in this video we're going to make a Shih Tzu cake topper. This topper was inspired by Daisy from The Secret Life of Pets 2, and if you haven't seen my previous video where we made a P.T. Barnum cake topper, I'll leave a link down below so that you can check that out. So with all that being said, let's get straight into it. So we're going to start out by creating the dog's body, and as you can see I'm rolling some fondant or modelling paste into a teardrop shape. I'm going to take a knife and place 2 indentations at either side. And then using that same knife, we're going to create a furry coat effect. Now if you think the body's too long, you can trim it at the top, just like I did. Now to make her face, you're going to take another ball of fondant or modelling paste and you're going to roll it into an oval shape. Flatten it down ever so slightly. And then you're going to use your finger to create an indentation in the centre. So you can see what that indentation does, it just gives it a nice little side profile rather than it all being completely flat. We're going to create the fur effect on the face now as well. And you're also going to fray around the outsides. So I forgot to do this with the body, so make sure you fray around the edges of your body too. And now using a circle cutter, we're just going to create a guide as to where the doggy's mouth is going to be. And we're just going to create 2 tiny little indentations at either side where that smile is. A smaller ball of modelling paste or fondant now to create the nose area. And of course you're going to need to fray that out too. So I'm going to use my knife here to create an indentation in the centre, bottom part of the nose. And I'm just using the bottom of a cake decorating tool to create 2 eye sockets. So the eye sockets are going to be pretty round if you do this, so you need to flatten out the bottom part of the eye sockets here. So at this point I looked at her face and I thought it was a little bit too big around the edges with that fraying, so I'm adding in a little piece of fondant under her mouth area here, and I'm going to trim around the outsides here. This is the beauty of making cake toppers from scratch, is that you can always go in and change things as you go along. I'm going to roll out 2 tiny pieces of fondant to create eyebrows for our doggy. And once you have those in place, you're going to fray those out as well. We're going to give our doggy a little bit of colour now, and I'm going to go in with some brown edible dust. Now I've put links in the description below for you for everything that I'm using to create this cake topper, so if you need to get any of the dusts or tools, you'll find links to everything that I'm using in the description below. We're going to add some colour to her face now as well. Now you can get these colours in pretty much any shade you like, so if your dog that you're creating is a different colour, then you can customise this cake topper to suit whatever dog it is that you're creating. And you could use this cake topper tutorial to make a lot of different types of breeds of dogs. If there is a particular dog breed that you would like me to create, I think I might do a Chihuahua next, because of course we got a new Chihuahua a few weeks ago. I don't know if you've seen the video of our new puppy. I'll put a link up above here if you want to check out our new fur baby. So if there's any particular dog breed you would like me to create, let me know in the description below and I'll be sure to do that for you. So as you can see, I've filled in the eye sockets with some white fondant, and I've used 2 brown circles to create eyes. I've went around the edges of these brown circles with some brown edible paint, and then we're going to add 2 black dots to create pupils. I'm going to use some white edible paint now to create some little catch lights. And of course our doggy needs a wee nose. So you're going to use a small oval piece of black fondant here, and then you're going to use your knife to shape it. And I can't seem to stop myself, I'm trimming the head again. Once you're happy with the shape of the head, then fray around the edges, and I've added a little bit to the top here as well. Am I the only one that does this? I don't know. I really should just leave them alone, but sometimes I just work and work and work at it, and it was fine to start off with. So we're going to give our little Shih Tzu a ponytail. So you're going to add a little strip of fondant in the center of her eyes. And don't forget to go along the outer edges of that little strip with some of your edible dust. And this is where it gets really exciting. Well, for me anyway. I find when I'm creating animal cake toppers, the ears make such a huge difference, so I'm always really excited to add the ears on. So with that being said, to create ears for your doggy, you're going to roll a piece of fondant into a teardrop shape. You're going to use your tool to create those hair indentations. And of course, you're going to use some of your edible dust as well. Now if the ear is a little bit short, you can stretch it up a little at the top. Now we're going to give our dog 2 tiny little paws, so you're going to place 2 oval pieces of fondant at the bottom part of the body. And then you're going to use a knife to create some indentations to make them look more like paws. Place a cocktail stick in the center of the body and place the head on top. So we're going to finish off this ponytail now, and you're going to roll a piece of fondant into a long teardrop shape. You're going to use a knife to create indentations at either side. Then you're going to fold that top part down. Don't forget to use some of your dusts here as well. Now I'm going to place some florist wire into the top. You can find a link for the wire that I'm using in the description. That just supports the ponytail and helps hold it in place. I'm going to make a little flower now using this flower cutter. Place it at the bottom of the ponytail, and we're going to place some red fondant in the center. Now you're going to use a large kind of fattish piece of teardrop shaped fondant, and you're going to fray it out as well. That's going to create the tail. Now you're just going to shape it and smoosh it a little bit to make it look a little bit swishy, and then go in with your edible dust here again. You can use some water to stick that on to the back of your topper. And what do you think? I think she's really, really cute. I really want to make a topper of my doggy now. Click that video on your screen now if you want to see more tutorials just like this one. And I'd love to see you hang around, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. I'll see you next week. Bye guys!